Alright, so I've been needing a new head shaver because my old one is starting to smell a little bit. So I got this one. I really like the form factor of this one. Just really easily fits into your hand like this. Comes with a nice guard for it. Also comes with a nice travel case, as well as a USB cord for charging and a cleaning brush to get all the hairs off of it after you're done. The magnetic part just attaches just like this, which is nice. Makes it so easy to clean and that kind of thing. To turn it on, you're gonna hold the power button for 3 seconds, and then it automatically turns on and also shows you the battery percentage remaining. So we're going to try this out on my head and see how it feels. So I used it for 2 minutes and I think it did a super good job. It felt really, really good. I didn't feel any pulling or, cuts or anything like that. And I probably used it longer than I needed to because it was trimming so good that I really didn't think it could be done that fast, but I just kept on going for about 2 minutes and just to get a good smooth shave on my head. Yeah, but it works good. I'm going to show you what's inside here. So after trimming your hair, of course, you'll need to clean that off with the provided brush. Rinse it off real quick, let it dry, and then you can slap it back on. So yeah, I think I'll be using this one. I like it a lot.